If you're presented with an investment opportunity out of the blue, ignore it, because it's likely to be either very high risk or an outright scam. But what if you've come across an interesting looking investment, say via a search engine or online advert? How do you know if that's genuine or not? First, you can check the FCA warning list. This is where the financial regulator records details of firms it knows are operating without permission or running scams. If it's on it, bingo, avoid it. But if it's not, it could still be a scam. Then, check the Financial Services Register. This lists all financial firms regulated in the UK. It can be a bit confusing to use, but don't be put off. Crucially, it can help you work out if you're dealing with a genuine firm or a clone. And you can use it to check financial advisors too, as all regulated ones will be listed in the register. Make sure you access the register via the FCA website, then search for the firm in question. If it's there, only use the contact details listed. Sometimes entries have missing details. If you're faced with patchy info or you're speaking with someone claiming to be from the firm who says it's out of date, your research shouldn't end there. Call the FCA's consumer helpline on 0800 111 6768 to confirm the correct details. And what if the firm isn't listed on the register? Well, the FCA says on its website, almost all financial firms must be authorised by us. If they're not, it's probably a scam. So if it's not there, avoid it. And finally, always be careful about entering your contact details on unknown investment websites, as they may share your personal details with scammers who target you with fake emails or call you about fake investments. To stay one step ahead of the fraudsters with updates on the latest scams to avoid, click the link on screen to sign up to our free scam alerts. Check out the video below to find out how to spot and avoid a scam website. And for more videos like this, subscribe to the Which YouTube channel.